storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar. And from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. God bless you all. Today's video, I'm going to help you play the song "Raise a Hallelujah" by Bethel. This song is requested by a friend, brother Kerubin. This is for you. So we choose the easy chords to play this song. So we start with the G. Okay. So let's start with the intro. The intro of this song is just G. Repeat 3 times. I raise a hallelujah, and then proceed with the verse 1. I raise the hallelujah. Okay, and then the strumming pattern of this whole song. So one strumming pattern only, like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so let's start with the intro. The intro is G only, and then after the intro, proceed with the verse 1. There are only 4 chords for the whole song. Okay, let's start with the intro. I raise the hallelujah. So this is the verse 1, G. Then in the presence of my enemies, C. Then E minor, I raise a hallelujah. And then D, louder than the unbelief. And then second line, same chords with the first one. I raise a hallelujah. Then C, my weapon is a melody. E minor, I raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight for me. D. Okay, let's start. Let's sing with the strumming pattern. I raise a hallelujah in the presence of my enemy. I raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight for me. And then proceed to chorus. 4 chords only. The chorus is this: I'm gonna sing, C, in the middle of the song, G. E minor, louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar, D. So that's the 4 chords. C, up from the ashes. Then G, hope will arise. Then E minor, death is defeated. Then D, the King is alive. Okay, with the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? The chorus is like this. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar. Out from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. Again, I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar. Out from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. And then back to the verse 2, same chords with the verse 1. I raise a hallelujah, G. See, with everything inside of me. E minor, I raise a hallelujah. I will watch the darkness flee. Repeat. I raise hallelujah. Repeat the chords. In the middle of the mystery sea, I raise hallelujah in minor. Fear thee, you lose your hold on me. Okay, let's sing the verse though. I raise hallelujah with everything inside of me. I raise hallelujah. I will watch the darkness flee. I raise a hallelujah in the middle of the mystery. I raise a hallelujah. Fear you lose your hold on me. Back to chorus. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar. Up from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. And then the bridge is like this. I sing a little louder, G. Then C, sing a little louder. E minor, sing a little louder. And then D, sing a little louder. Bridge, sing a little louder. Sing a little louder. Sing a little louder. Sing a little louder. Back to chorus. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm. Louder and louder, you're gonna hear my praises roar. Up from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. I raise a hallelujah. I raise a hallelujah. I raise a hallelujah. I raise a hallelujah. Okay, that's the whole song. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Keep safe. So I hope you learn. And if you like this video, click subscribe and hit the notification bell, comment and suggest a song. Okay, God bless you all. And the bonus is the chicken, the rooster. So God bless you all.